Elite Series 2 controller. And the problem with this one is pushing in the left stick does nothing. So I don't get it on the computer testing it on gamepad tester or on the actual Xbox or PC. Everything else works fine. It's just pushing in this stick. So we're going to replace this analog stick. Now I know we're replacing this stick, and I know this stick needs to come off. It's room there. Actually, these are easier first usually. Alright. There we go. It's easy to get these unscrewed usually with one of these joysticks. This one's going to need a little heat. Heat up the heat gun. Ooh, earlier today too, when I was working on something, I burnt my finger right there. You can see the big blister forming. I accidentally put it on the end of the heat gun when it was at like 850. So, don't do that. Doesn't usually take too much with this. Get it warm and it kind of gets that, I don't know if it's Loctite or some kind of... Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, you do have to take both sticks off, I forgot. Because you got to pull it through. See, this one has to pull through that board and it doesn't fit. So that's right. You do have to take both. Oh, that one's loose. That is strange. Unsolder the motors in the main board. So you can get this board separated. So it's gray, black, red, black, gray, black, red, black. And then the two antennas. Looks a little corroded. Clean that up when we put it back together. Wait a minute. Did somebody glue that? Is that super glue? How would someone do that? Damn, that's super glue. Let's leave it attached there. We'll still unsolder these so we can at least have a little bit more play. I'm just going to heat up my iron. get good and hot. I can't believe somebody super glued that. Why would you super glue the antenna wire? Okay, that one. All right. We're gonna have to work around that super glued connector. It sucks because I really like to take those off just to have the board completely separated. I don't know what gets rid of super glue. Acetone? I don't know. Okay, let's take that off. Yep, and what we can do though is at least pop it out of that little holder, I think. Yeah, we can do that. So, dang it. It's gonna be this stick we're taking off over here. There we go. Alright, there's the bad one. Might be all I can get from this side. That looks really good. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Alright, be right back. I'll switch batteries. Okay. Let's get our new part here. What did I do with them? Got the new stick right here, and the button clicks, and everything looks good on it. It's brand new. Everything looks lined up there. Gonna just hold it in place and try to get these couple of ones that weren't all the way through to go through. It was those two and a couple up here. I think that was it. Maybe that one. It's moving. Trying to go back and forth until they come through. Okay, I think those two are done, yes. Alright, let's get the rest of these on there. Solder. Okay, and I think we're good to go there. Alright, I'm just gonna clean up this flux and we'll start putting this thing back together.